Hi, welcome back. Let's proceed with step 41. We are asked to change the width of both flavor and price widths to be 50% again. Step 42. So now we need to add class as item to the article element. Then we need to add classes to the paragraph elements too, but first we need to add class only to article element. But I kind of completed all three tasks in one. I won't consider extra work, but it won't throw an error either, so don't mind me getting things done unnecessarily in advance. Step 43. Let's put price paragraph tag to the right of flavor paragraph tag by reducing space between them to make sure both paragraphs are on the same line on the editor. Step 44. So remember I completed unnecessary work before? Let's redo it. I mean, you're gonna do it for the first time, but me, I gotta do it once again. Add class flavor and class price to their respective paragraph elements. Step 45. Now we need to change width of flavor to 75% and width of price to 25%. Step 46. Done with the coffee section, now it's time to add the dessert section below the coffee section. Step 47. Now gotta give the heading as desserts to our dessert section with the CH-2 element. Step 48. Let's start adding dessert to our section. First, add one article for now with class attribute with the value as item. Step 49. Let's add two paragraph elements to our article element. First paragraph would be donut and second paragraph would be $1.50, which is its price. Then reduce space between both paragraphs. Step 50. For first paragraph, the class value is dessert, and for second paragraph, the class value is price. It's the same recurring steps, y'all. We're experts already, aren't we? Anyhow, that's all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters in upcoming videos. I'll catch you in the next one.